Hi, welcome to this part of the lesson. So I'm actually sitting down here and I have the Excel opened up in front of me. So I'm going to open up a brand new document. Okay. As you can see, I'm actually going to zoom in just a little bit so that way it's easy for us to actually take a look at this, the rows, the cells, everything properly. Okay. Now let me do a small little revision. If you look at the Excel sheet, you notice it says A, B, C, D on the top, and on the side it says 1, 2, 3. So A, B, C, D on the top is known as columns. That means if I take my mouse and I click B, you see it will select the entire column. And if I go to, let's say, number 5, it will select all the cells that's going side by side, like on this side. Okay, so that means up and down is known as a column, like B column, C column. I mean, you can pick any individual, or group of cells. You could actually do that too. But let's say if I click C, you can see it goes up and down. And let's say if I click 6, you see it kind of goes this way. Okay. Okay. Now let's go back to the receipt idea that I was talking about earlier. Let's say I went to the restaurant and we went and had a beautiful lunch, and let's say, for example, I bought, let's say, fried rice, and I paid, let's say, $5 for it. And then the next one is I had an iced tea, and let's say I paid $3 for it, just for example. Okay, I'm not going to use the same receipt that I was showing you earlier. I just want to keep this more simplified, because it doesn't matter what the description is. What I want you to understand is how this is done. That's all I want you to understand, is how it's done. So I have fried rice for $5. I have iced tea for $3, and let's say I got apple pie for $5. Okay, and then over here I'm going to write total. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this, so that way we understand that this is where the answer is going to be total, and I'm going to go up here and I'm going to highlight it. So let's take a look. It says fried rice $5, iced tea $3, apple pie $5, and it says total. Now in order for me to put the total over here, let me go here and kind of like make a little bit of a box. So you see that? I put like a little border around it, right? So that's where my answer is going to be. So this is where I am going to place my answer. So I'm going to click this one, and I'm going to click equal to sign on my keyboard. Equals to. Do you see it right there? It says equal to. Then I'm going to click 5. Then I'm going to click the plus symbol. I'm going to click this guy. That's 3. Then I'm going to click plus symbol again. And then I'm going to click the last 5. And then I'm going to hit enter. And the answer is 13. You see that? Okay, so let's say I bought fried rice, but let's say it was different kind of fried rice, so it was $7. Now you see the 13. Look at the 13. It's going to change. It became 15. So this computer is going to basically add the number, like it's going to add up the total, like whatever it is. Now this is a very simple word sum that I'm providing over here, so that you understand how it works, because I want us to get into the practice of learning how to make a formula. There is a way where the computer will do this automatically, but I don't want us to learn the automatic version. I want us to actually learn how to actually do it. So this is one example. Let's go over here, and let's say number of boys in the class. And let's say I have 12, for example. Then I'm going to hit that. I'm going to hit Control C for copy. I'm going to go here, Control V for paste. I'm going to go there, and you notice I will go up here and I will change the boys to girls. Okay, so the first one is number of boys in the class, and the second one is number of girls in the class. And let's say number of girls is 10. So over here I have to write total number of students in the classroom. And over here, I'm going to put the answer. I'm going to highlight it, okay? The reason why I highlight it is because I know that that's where my answer is going to be. So when I look at it, it's very easy for me to say, oh, that's where the answer is going to be. So this is going to be, I'm going to select the box, I'm going to write equals to, then I'm going to select 10, then plus 12, and then enter. The answer is 22. Okay? So over here, this was word sum number 1. And let me move it a little bit. And over here, it's word sum number 2. Okay, thank you very much for paying attention. Just come back to the classroom and just listen to me, and I will probably help you out with some more word sums. Okay.